Hi guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Today's candidate to stardom, YouTube stardom, is a unit out of a 68 Chevelle. This comes in from Dave, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Repeat customer, thank you so much, Dave, for your repeat business. This is just a basic modern conversion with FM and the Bluetooth feature, so we're going to turn her on and make sure everything works before we send her back. So here we go. Let's set these presets. Make sure the presets work.
Are able to
right? Can't necessarily be in the same
throughout their existence. In all of America's best networks for up to half the cost. No.
Okay, here we go.
an 838.
I'm completing.
I think that's a pretty good test of the FM section. Let's flip to AM real quick. 3 AM stations here.
From 3:30 to 5:30.
The most. You donate, you are
Yes,
directly impacted.
Okay, go back to FM. Needless to say,
Or by U.S.
this radio is true stereo now. It's got stereo FM.
This
Let's go
Tuesday
ahead
at
and
the
make sure
number
that
one
the virtual
gentlemen's
fader and balance functions work.
It's the Everyone's Irish St. Patty's Day party this Tuesday. Come party
Okay,
with
gonna
the
turn on
sexiest
tone
ladies
control
in the
twice to the
valley
right
on 6
to activate the
stages.
front
Get
rear
there
fader.
early for no cover from 11 a.m. to 7.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust.
Patty's party without
now
the
the
drink
same
specials.
control.
$5 sour apple Patron cocktails and $175 bottles of
Adjusting
Patron
the
and
front
apple
rear speaker
Ciroc.
balance.
Everyone's Irish this Tuesday for St.
Adjust it
Patty's
as long
at
as you
Jaguars
want.
I-17 in McDowell. For VIP
Stop
and table
adjusting
reservations,
it.
go to jaguarsphoenix.com.
Mountain Dew Zero Sugar.
Fader set.
Fader set.
Oh, maybe
Okay,
even
left,
better.
right
Mary
balance.
had a
Gonna
little
activate
laugh.
that.
Mary had a bottle of Mountain Dew.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust.
The original, but with zero
Okay,
sugar.
now the tone control is
Same
controlling
refreshing taste as the
the
original,
left,
but
right
with
speaker
zero
balance.
sugar. Same refreshing taste as the original, but with zero sugar.
Let that time out.
Mary had a bottle of Mountain
Balance set.
Okay, that's timed out, so
This
now we
tastes
can
as
return
good
our
as the
tone control to how
original,
we like it.
maybe
Let's make
even
sure the Bluetooth
better.
activates. We can give the volume control 2 turns
As
to the
good
right.
as the original. Maybe even.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay,
From the
Bluetooth is ready to
diary
pair,
of
so it's trying to
Dear
pair
Diary,
with a
there's
portable
something
audio
about
device, which,
protecting
as you
people's
know by
homes
now,
through
I don't do
Progressive
it all
that
the time
inspires
to do
me,
that.
because I just had an idea for a
in
book. Well,
90
it's
seconds
originally
later,
an
the
idea
lady
for
will
a
come back
movie
saying
based on a
pairing not
play inspired by a
completed.
podcast.
And while we're
But
waiting
the
for
idea
that,
is how
we'll
you
test
can
the aux
save when you
input.
bundle home and
Just make
auto.
sure it switches over.
Might not be the best.
And tone. Okay, the aux is working. Now there'll be a 20-second delay before the radio comes back on, and that's just to make sure it's not constantly switching back and forth between the aux source and the radio. So we'll just wait for this radio to come back. While we're waiting for that, we'll test the dial light. Make sure that's working. See the light flashing on and off to my command.
Point three.
And there's our radio back. Okay, that's everything. There's not a whole lot to test on a radio that was just an AM radio. Everything is in good working order. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job, whatever it may be. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to a classic car AM radio. We can also add a Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, as you just saw. And on certain AM FM radios, I can even double the number of FM station presets. It's not a real popular feature, but once in a while a customer does request that. So my website's in the description below. My phone number for repair or conversion customers only, not for parts or belts. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks everyone for watching and listening. Thank you, Dave, for your repeat business, and we'll see you guys next time.